Hey ball heads, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can watch me as I become friends with fear and kick it with anxiety. I learned how to take small steps towards major changes in my life every day. If you want to watch me become a little less raggedy, stay tuned. I've lost sight and I've lost focus because me and procrastination have become friends. So, I'm putting myself on punishment for the next 100 days. I'm going to be focusing on time management and using my time wisely. I just have way too many things that need to get done, and I'll be sitting around dragging my feet, waiting for 2 weeks before it's supposed to be done to do it. I can't keep doing that. So, for the next 100 days, I'm committing to time management. So, my hair has always grown away from the lock, but I would just retwist it every month. I'm just tired of doing that. Like, I'm just tired of forcing my hair to do something that it doesn't want to do anymore. And who am I? Who are me? Who are me to force my hair to do something that it just doesn't want to do anymore? I guess we've come to the end of the road. But for sure, I'm going to document this for sure, because I've already started taking notes about how I'm going to tell the story and why I'm getting off my journey, because it's not exactly like, oh, I hate locks, I don't want them. I really do. I like them. I love them. I've loved everything that my locks have taught me, but it's time for a new journey. Hi, Ohio. I'm just coming to you with season's greetings. Yesterday we had spring. It was a very nice day. It's like 70 something. I had on a dress. My knees was out. It was cute. Now today we are in Arctic weather, and as an elder millennial, I know that I need to have my coat out until at least July. It's May 7th. The temperature is like 54 degrees, but in Toledo, it's a cold 54, and I work on the water. So down there, it was like 46. So, sis had on a full sweater, peacoat, vest. I'm not playing with y'all. I just want it to be warm consistently. Tired of pulling out my coat in May. Thanks. This was the hottest day, and we did not have air conditioning. I was like, I would rather cut off my hair than to sit under the dryer. And I was like, you know what? Where the shears at? Definitely came in from my walk and was like, it is time. It is time. I had to provide you with that mini raggedy rewind to kind of get you up to speed as to where we are today. So that day officially started my wave journey, and I was trying to figure out what I was supposed to do in order to get these waves. Now I knew that waving looked easy, but I didn't realize how uneasy it was. It was not easy. It was not easy. It is levels to this thing. It's levels to it. I'll let you know I had 360s, and at some point I was like, you know what? I am tired of this. I want to switch up my pattern. I'll also go ahead and be transparent and say I have a bald spot in my crown. So my crown was not going crazy, and I really didn't know how to take care of my own crown. So I'm just going to put this on here. I need to apologize to the do-rag community. A few years ago, I was making fun of people who wear this flap down because I ain't know no better. But now that I got this do-rag and I have to wear my flap down because I feel like a freaking superhero. Like when I'm walking and this cape is just flying like this, I feel like I'm about to take off. And so I need to publicly apologize to the people that I made fun of with the do-rag flap down. Forgive me, because I'm a flap down warrior now. All right. So y'all see my ripples. They come. Do you see them though? Don't play with me. I be doing that work under that do-rag. Is that bald spot getting better? I can't really tell. I still look bald, but I feel like I've come a long way. Okay, so this area right up in there, that's where we're struggling. Y'all see it right there? I think it's coming in pretty good. I think it looked a lot better than it did at once. Like there was no hair right here. Up to here, I don't think. I'm gonna have to go back. I'm gonna have to put on some makeup today. Let's find the light. Boom. Boom. Is that it? Morgan, is that it? Is that the light? Is that Pudge? Somebody. That's where it's at right now. So I'm gonna have to drink some water and put on some makeup because I'm out here looking like a bag of lady up underneath my eyes. What's up, baldies? So it's been a while since I had a haircut. I'm over this pattern. I'm ready to try something else. I think it's gonna happen. What's up, bald heads? Now y'all know I've been on a mission to get these 360 waves. Now I thought that 360s was gonna be like the easiest thing for me because that's all I knew. But as I progressed in my wave journey, I learned so much more about waves. I was like 540s, 720s. What? I can do that? Y'all, it's a wrap. Sistren about to change the pattern.
To a motherfucking boulder from a pebble. I try to tell him, yeah. Rebel.
Back to the money, back to the basics. If we ain't building, I'm cool on you and your conversation. You in the way, waiting on what's the name to make it. And when they blow, they probably leave you broken somewhere hating. You can't count on love, better get it out the mud. It's hard to look glory in the face. If you ain't got the guts, take that yellow brick road. Go see the eyes get.
So these are the clippers that I got yesterday because only one beauty supply store was open, but I got the dual with the clippers and the liners. I just got faith that it's gonna work out. I don't know. It don't really matter what it look like right now because we all quarantined, but you know what I'm saying? You think these gonna work good? No guard, no nothing. What's up, bald heads? I'm sitting here a wrinkled mess, but we in quarantine, so who gonna check me? Anyway, I have been restless. I got too much hair on my head. I could get some box braids right now. Y'all see this? Box braids. You see? Look at that. What's going on? So before I switch the pattern, I want to show y'all where we at with it. So we had, can y'all see that? These waves in the back, on the side, and all of that. The crown, she was not working on her crown. She wasn't. But yeah, all that's about to change. Before I get started, I just want to show y'all. Look at this. Do y'all see? That's a whole braid, y'all. That's a starter lock. This is why I need a haircut. Like, Coronisha play too much. Got me out here looking like this. Not today. Not tomorrow. This got to go. Might as well just pull out the flat irons at this point. Like, I got enough hair for a bob.
Heavy as the head. Hey D, let's put that weight on him. The Empire. Whoa now, a voice for the people as if I'm Marley. Building rebels from sheeple to modern Garvey. Stay ahead, this way you'll never be tardy. Cause speaking too soon, a smooth turn you into a Harvey. Non-fiction, no forgiveness for low slipping. So jam them seal or get aborted. The B-planet pill. Work for self or joins the blind man they feel. Get caught slipping and hit with extra banana peels. Hot damn, it's real, they scream from the field. This lane ain't for you, buddy, your buggy's in need of a yield. Knowing your worth is a weapon and they keep it concealed. But only time a tattletale and soon the beans will be spilled like, oh. Nah, not at all, bruh. We a never-ending problem, you can never solve us. Do not revolve us, it'll only evolve us. I wish a nigga would, he'd be sawdust. Fill the pad full of diodes, so I can charge peacefully when my eyes closed. Still I keep one open, scoping like I'm on the pyramid. Cause I trust not a now, another nigga never did. I overstand why you understand. Do what I want, you do what you can. Do what you can, I do what you don't. Say what you can, I say what you won't. Rebel, to a motherfucking boulder from a pebble. I try to tell him, yeah. Rebel.
Back to the money, back to the basics. If we ain't building, I'm cool on you and your conversation. You in the way, waiting on what's the name to make it. And when they blow, they probably leave you broken somewhere hating. Can't count on love, better get it out the mud. It's hard to look glory in the face. If you ain't got the guts, take that yellow brick road. Go see the eyes, get you some. Slow run, better than no run. So jog, don't be dumb. Back better than ever, my weight up tipping that scale. Left in my lower state and came back in my higher self. No expiration date, so I'm never going stale. Fresh like bread, Horace ate. Last supper with his 12 disciples. I'm aiming for your idols, young Michael. Before Pippen came to help him win them 6 titles. Calling ISO on my rivals, going ape shit. I Kevin Bake shit, 6 degrees of separation. Get off me, I'm over getting lapped in this race. Hearing they fans cheers like a slap to the face. Oh, you don't see him chanting, your pineal not glancing. They moved you into the mansion, you fell in love with that place. House nigga. Overstand why you understand. Do what I want, you do what you can. Do what you can, not do what you don't. Say what you can, not say what you want. Rebel, to a motherfucking boulder from a pebble. I tried to tell him, rebel.
I overstand why you understand.
With it so far, my hair done grew in the past however many days I cut it, but it's still sore. Trying to get my life together. I can finally brush my dang bald-headed head. Is that a ripple? Is it? I'm tripping. I don't know. We are dream girls, boy. We'll make you happy. Yeah. We are dream girls, boys. We'll always care. We are dream girls, dream girls. Dream girls will never leave you. And all you gotta do is dream, and baby, we'll be there, yeah. We'll be there. Oh, yeah. We'll be there. I don't know how she did that without her neck falling off. Her head. She was... All right, I just got finished brushing. I was brushing for like an hour. I thought I saw some ripples back there. I thought I did. Hold up. Oh, there they go. Alright, that bald spot is growing in. My hair done grew quick. I only had my hair cut for like 5 days. But in conclusion, I cut my own hair. Where we are with it now is I have some ripples going on. I need to finish working on my crown. But y'all thought I was about to show y'all my waves. Y'all pressed.